Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I just had to play with Spellbinders Charming Cottage Box die set. This is part of the Christmas in July sale. I had shown it as one of the notables, and I was saying you could use it for favors and such, so I decided to go ahead and play with it. This is the box fully assembled, not all the way out. All the way out would be including the windows, the doors. I didn't have time for it, to be honest with you. I'm still playing crafty catch up, but you could do roof tiles, all sorts of goodies. That's an example in the back. I've seen this on clearance a few times, and I have a feeling it's going to be discontinued eventually. So I just wanted to show you that it's a really cute box die set that comes together well. I do have it tied closed, but it can fit a lot of goodies in here. And my little tag. Okay, let me pull it. Oh, and it was so hard to tie that tag. You just don't know. My fingers. But I'm going to open it and show you guys. So here it is opened. Look at that. You can fit lots of goodies in here. You could fit a few candies in here, loads and loads of Hershey's Kisses, etc. And you just fold it up and then push it through here, push it through there. Really, really cute. Let me give you a measurement of it fully assembled. 2.5 inch wide. 4.25 inch tall, and the width on the side is almost still 2.5. So this is like 2.5 inch square. So you can fit lots of goodies in this. I did put on this bottom strip here double-sided tape here and here, here and here to seal it up. And you just fold the other side pieces in. Comes together super easy. This is on Michael's 110-pound cardstock. I did not use my bone folder to crease the edges. Normally, I would crease it with a bone folder, but I know that the Michael's cardstock, when I start creasing it like this, it'll crack too much. So I just gently folded it with my hand. You can use better cardstock like Basil or something. Maybe even the Spellbinders cardstock to make the box. To me, that's like, I would use the Spellbinders cardstock for pieces. Maximize, save your cardstock. For the base of the box, you could use 65-pound, but at 110 is standing up well. For these layering pieces, right here and there. So I did the square on the sides, all 4 sides, and then that's the piece here. 1 sheet of 6x6 paper with scraps left over covered this box all the way around and front and back. And I still had like a strip left. This is that Make It Merry 6x6 paper pad. You can buy the pad individually or get the fabulous Make It Merry kit. I was going to use some of the die cuts, but then I decided I still wanted to play with the Christmas bird poinsettia. I had this vision in my mind of just a big poinsettia. So if you have an event and you want to put together these boxes real easily, you cut 2 of this. Use some double-sided tape or wet glue to put it together, and then 1 big sentiment. You could go all the way in if you want to, but that's going to take more time. If you have to produce 20, 30, 40, 50 of these, I would go simpler. You know, just this. Done. Use some of the greenery here. This took up a nice focal point. Finished it off with some gold mixed gems. This little decorative piece is also in this set. Right there. I had cut it out with some gold foil cardstock. I did here and on the sides. Isn't that pretty? Simple. You don't have to go over the top, but you can go over the top if you want to. You can make it shabby. You can put the roof tiles and really go for it. Also, this little tag. Isn't that cute? There's a little tag. Don't open until December 25th. That is actually from this set. Assorted tag dies. This is part of the Christmas in July sale. I believe this is as well. This is handmade gift tags. This coordinates with this set. Some of what's in here works with this tag, which was the don't open until December 25th. Stamped and then just tied on with some twine. I love to use lawn fawn twine because it's easy to work with. I'm not good with the tying of the twine, but isn't this cute? I think this is so nice. So if you have any needs for a favor box, this is a out the gate winner because I do have other gable box die sets, and these are called gable box, that are $15 with none of these accessories in it. This normally retails for $30. Now it's half off, $15, and you get accessories in it. Love this. Adorable. You even get this adorable tag and all the other bits. that bow, Christmas tree and a bow, and you're done. Use a little gingerbread. So I think this is a great one. I just wanted to play with it myself and share it with you guys. And I think it's stunning with this beautiful poinsettia. Alrighty, crafters. Everything that I used to make this box will be detailed and linked below. I think it is fabulous. If you did get it, enjoy it. That's a great example of how to just quickly put it together. And this is from the new collection, Classic Christmas. Okay, crafters, until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Hope you did get some goodies from the Christmas in July sale. Bye.